Hi, today we're gonna take a look at how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. Are you ready? We're going to start with a brief review. In a fraction, the top number is the numerator and the bottom number is the denominator. Once again, the top number is the numerator and the bottom number is the denominator. We also need to remember the improper fractions. An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator, the top number, is greater than or equal to the denominator, the bottom number. For example, 9/2 is an improper fraction, given that the numerator 9 is greater than the denominator 2. In our first example, we're going to convert the improper fraction 9/2 to a mixed number. So first, we're going to see this fraction as a division. That is right, we're going to divide the numerator 9 by the denominator 2. You can use the 2 times table. And now, how many times does 2 go into 9? How many times does 2 go into 9? Well, 2 goes into 9 4 times. 4 is the whole number part of the mixed number. Then we're going to multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. To get 9, we need to add 1. One more time. 4 times 2 is 8. To get 9, we need to add 1. 1 is the numerator of the fractional part of the mixed number. Finally, we keep the denominator the same, so 2 come over here. In that way, our improper fraction 9/2 is equivalent to the mixed number 4 and 1/2. If you don't like this division method, don't worry, we can try something different. Once again, we're going to convert our improper fraction to a mixed number. So first, we're going to see this fraction as a division. We're going to divide the numerator 9 by the denominator 2, but this time, we're going to use the division by grouping. Pay attention. The dividend is 9, so we're going to use 9 objects, 9 monsters. Next, the divisor is 2, so how many groups of 2 can we make out from 9 objects? How many groups of 2 can we make out from 9 monsters? Well, here we have 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups, and 4 groups. Yes, 4 is the quotient of this division, and is also the whole number part of the mixed number. As you can see, there is 1 monster left over. 1 is the remainder, and is also the numerator of the fractional part of the mixed number. Finally, the denominator stays the same, so 2 come over here. Once again, the improper fraction 9/2 is equivalent to the mixed number 4 and 1/2. Let's move on to the next example. Yesterday I was so hungry and I ate 7/4 chocolate bars. In our second example, we're going to convert the improper fraction 7/4 to a mixed number. So first, we're going to see this fraction as a division, yes? We're going to divide the numerator 7 by the denominator 4. So how many times does 4 go into 7? How many times does 4 go into 7? Well, 4 goes into 7 one time. 1 is the whole number part of the mixed number. Then we're going to multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. To get 7, we need to add 3. Once again, 1 times 4 is 4. To get 7, we need to add 3. 3 is the numerator of the fractional part of the mixed number. Finally, we keep the denominator the same, so 4 come over here. In that way, the improper fraction 7/4 is equivalent to the mixed number 1 and 3/4. In the last part of this video, we're going to get the answer modeling 7/4 chocolate bars. What do we need? We just need a chocolate bar. This bar represents 1 whole, don't forget that. Since the denominator is 4, we're going to divide this bar into 4 equal parts. And then we're going to take one part, only one part. As you can see, we have divided this bar into 4 equal parts, and we took one of those parts. Therefore, this part represents 1/4 of a whole, or 1/4 of a chocolate bar. The next part also represents 1/4 of a whole. Here we have 1/4 of a whole, and over there 1/4 of a whole. We need to model 7/4 chocolate bars, so we're gonna take 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, and there are no more fourths, we need more chocolate. Let's draw a second chocolate bar. Since the denominator is 4, we're going to divide this bar into 4 equal parts. We already know that each part represents 1/4 of a whole. So here we have 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. Once again, we need to model 7/4 chocolate bars. So we're gonna take 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, and 7/4. That's it. Here we have the model that represents 7/4 chocolate bars. Let's focus on the first bar. As you can see, we took this bar completely. Yes, we took one whole bar or one whole. Let's continue with the second bar. What fraction of the second part did we take? Well, we took 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. In total, we have 1 whole and 3/4 come over here. In that way, the improper fraction 7/4 is equivalent to the mixed number 1 and 3/4. That's all for today. Over there you will find more lessons about mixed numbers and other videos. See you next lesson and have a good day. Bye!